looking for a home in the Everett area, close to everything? Well, I have a home to show you. It's located in the heart of Everett at 19438th Place Southwest. It features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and so many cool features and upgrades that the owners put in. Let me show you. As you step inside this beautiful 2-story home, you'll be welcomed by an open floor plan that features brand new appliances in the kitchen and also heated flooring in the kitchen, quartz countertops, and you'll get to see the rest of the house upstairs where 4 bedrooms and 2 baths are. And if you want to see more of the property, I'd love for you to see it in person. So give me a call and I'll be more than happy to show it to you.